This has been a really good year for us. We've got a few more new haumana that joined us, and we've been able to do a lot of different things this year. I mean, it started actually last year when we were a part of the Asia Pacific Dance Festival, which was such a big thing for a small halau like us. We had no idea what we were getting into. However, it did turn out very well. We had to teach hula and then end up having a concert at the end. So that was a major challenge for us, but we pulled it off. We also were involved with another project, which is one of our hula sisters started. It's called the Punahou project. So our halau had our first little huaka'i to Hilo, something we've never done with our halau, actually travel and stay together for the weekend. Most enjoyable experience being up there in Hilo. We also was a part of Hellumoa this year in June, which was a great learning experience for our girls. It gives them great stage presence, you know, and it's a tourist attraction, but it's actually a very encouraging and inspirational type of place for the girls to learn and so that we can share what our halau does. I'm happy to say that our halau will be in existence for 10 years come February next year. Because we have such a small halau, you know, we need to find things for our halaus to do that we actually can get paid for. Because we can't charge our girls very much for, you know, lessons. We don't like to, but we have to. Especially because we have to pay rent now that we moved to Kaka'ako. And come January, they're going to raise our rent again. So, I mean, it would be wonderful if we had a place, you know, that we could call our own and not have to pay rent, but, you know, that's how it is. That's how it is today, you know. So other than Hellumoa, we also were really very, very happy to be another part of Prince Lot Hula Festival this year.